and welcome back to Handlebar Garden.
What's up? We're in an undisclosed location at the moment, but we're soon going to let you know where we're at and what we're doing right after this. Where we're at, right here, Brain Buckets and Skins, new location. And here's the owner proprietary person. She runs it all. She's going to introduce herself and give us a little tour and some background info on the place. There you are.
Hello, I'm Heather, and I have been in the industry for 13 years. So I've decided to go out on my own and create my own store. And we're located at 269 Dogpatch Trading Center, London, Kentucky. And the name is Brain Buckets and Skins.
Where did that come from?
I like to think out of the box, and I wanted a name that said biker or rider without saying those words. So Brain Buckets is an alternate word for helmets, which when I started in the industry, that's what everybody called it. You got any brain buckets? Well, then Skins is an alternate word to leather. So I went with Skins without having to use leather, so that's how I come up with it. Our logo is like a little gremlin, and I used it because of the gremlin bells, but people call them all different things with the bells, but...
Gremlin. Oh, we've got gnomes. Our gnome is named Norman with a G.
Oh! Norman.
Norm with a G.
And so far, we've got our Facebook page up. We've been open almost a month. You can look us up on Facebook. We are going to be moving locations here in the next probably couple weeks, so check out our Facebook. We ain't moving very far, so that's not
We can see
a
it
big,
from here.
Yeah, it's just 3 doors down. So, we carry helmets, boots, luggage, basically any apparel or accessories that you would need to be riding. And once we get moved, it's a bigger location, so I'll be able to get some more inventory in. Do y'all want to walk inside?
We'll go on inside. Just give us a tour. Excuse me.
So we've got bandanas, do-rags, sunglasses, some shirts. We've got leather. We have for men and women. We have leather vests for kids. Coats, rain suits. We have patches, wallets. Just a variety of things that you need for riding.
Yep.
In one room, we have helmets. I have more helmets gonna come once we move. And then we have luggage.
Oh. We have luggage.
We're a little tight right now, but we'll have more room soon.
Yeah.
Chaps, vests, men's, ladies.
Been in my mind for a while, so when I get everything all together, that's what I'm gonna do.
And if you're just looking for a regular old pair of sunglasses, we got $5 sunglasses.
Cheap sunglasses.
Yeah.
Can't beat that. Boots. You got it all.
So if y'all are out and about, stop by. We're right off exit 7. Well, we're on Interstate 75, exit 41.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
And when you buy a pair of chaps, you will be fitted, and they will cut them for you if you like. And you can ride off with your new chaps on. Would you look at that?
Ta-da!
Ta-da, even. Now you have to. That's going to be a trademark. Now you're going to have to do that every time you cut them. Ta-da!
Okay, I could do that.
So I'll have to come up here every couple of weeks and buy a new pair of chaps just to hear a ta-da.
Yes. I will sit on. Hey, might as well have a little laugh and some fun.
You got to.
Yes,
World's too serious.
it is.
This will be bonus footage.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! There, we got a ta-da. And these here are beltless chaps. So if you like beltless chaps, if you've never tried them, I highly suggest you do, because we fell in love with them.
Oh yeah, and they're way easier to put on.
I like easy.
Yep.
So there you are.